Hello all, my name is Prashant. I'm the founder of Digital Trainee. So Digital Trainee is India's first practical digital marketing training institute where we focus on implementation based training. Previously when we have started this institute, so no one in the industry is focusing on implementation based training. So what is it by implementation? Implementation is all about you have to do it by your own and trainer will guide you how to implement step by step.
Hi, I'm Shankar Dange, Digital Marketing Manager of Digital Trainee. In India, we have crossed around 700 million active internet users last year, and the industry is growing at 25% of annual growth rate.
Hi, my name is Nikhil Nikom, working as a HR manager at Digital Trainee. Digital Trainee is an initiative for those who are ambitious in the field of digital marketing. We are educating you into digital marketing courses because we think you have excellent ability of making it big.
Why we have started? Before we have started this institute, we have almost researched 150 plus institute in India. We went to Kolkata, we went to Bangalore, we went to Delhi, we went to Mumbai, we went to all over the India's institute, and we take demo sessions. So everyone is telling that we are completing it practically, we are doing it everything theoretical, 80%, 50% theoretical, 50% practical, something like that. So after analyzing all the curriculums and all the syllabus and everything, so we got to know that no one in the industry is focusing on implementation purpose. Practical implementation, no one is focusing on.
Hello everyone, I'm Nehal Veera, Digital Marketing Trainer at Digital Trainee. Here at Digital Trainee, we've got students from all different walks of life. We've got businessmen, entrepreneurs, startup enthusiasts who want to grow their business online. We've got working professionals who are currently working in different domains and want a career switch. We've got students who want to enhance their skills and upgrade their resume. All of these have chosen Digital Trainee.
Hi, my name is Neha. I am a digital marketing trainer at Digital Trainee. To give our students a complete, in-depth, practical knowledge of digital marketing, we have designed a complete digital marketing course with real-time case studies, learning management system, and updated modules to make our students industry ready. We also provide real-time digital marketing support to our current and past students.
Hi, I'm Rahul Chauhan, Digital Marketing Trainer Manager at Digital Trainee. As digital marketing is the core part of every organization from marketing perspective, they need the candidates having hands-on practical knowledge. We at Digital Trainee primarily focus on practical implementation so that our student will be industry ready once they complete their course.
Let's talk about our vision. Digital Trainee will become India's #1 top-rated, most recommended and trusted digital marketing training company. This is our vision. And mission is to provide a top quality training to our students and make them successful in their life or in their career, in their business and all.
Hi, my name is Yashika and I'm a Training and Placement Officer of Digital Trainee. More than 3,000 plus students have been successfully placed till now, and many more companies are lined up with Digital Trainee to hire well-trained candidates. Every sector needs digital marketers to sustain and grow their businesses. So you can kickstart your career by learning digital marketing.
Online infrastructure has improved after Digital India initiative, and every business is trying to make its strong online presence. For the strong online presence, they required highly skilled and expert digital marketers. And when we talk about expert digital marketers, here comes Digital Trainee.